If you've ever tried to make a game by yourself, you know the pain. You've got the concept but then you realize you're gonna spend the next 3 days just retopologizing one single model. Today's video is a game changer. We're talking about Artist Mesh, the new low-poly generation mode that turns images into game-ready 3D models in about 20 seconds. It outputs clean, low-poly geometry with proper edge flow. First, head over to Artist Mesh mode. Upload your image and generate. You will get 4 different mesh variations. Choose the one with the cleanest wireframe and the best silhouette, then you can export or add textures. You may wonder who gets the most out of Artist Mesh. Game developers, teams without a dedicated 3D artist, XR and AR creators, and anyone who values their workflow. If you are interested in game developing and you're tired of drowning in retopology work, go give it a try. You can try for free right now, and if this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more game dev tips and tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.